Which number is greater? 3.5 times 10 to the 4th power or 2.1 times 10 to the 6th power? Which one do you think is greater? The 2.1 times 10 to the 6th power. Why is that one bigger? The exponent is higher, right? So this means it has 6 places after the decimal. This one means it has 4 places after the decimal. So if I were to write this out in standard form, this would be 3, 5. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. Here I would have 2 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decimal places. Well, which one of these numbers is bigger? 2,100,000 is bigger than 35,000. So that means this number is bigger because we multiplied by more tens. 10 to the 6th power is bigger than 10 to the 4th power. If we look at number 18, which number is less or smaller? 7.2 times 10 to the 7th power or 9.9 times 10 to the 5th power? Which one is smaller or less? Why would the 9.9 times 10 to the 5th power? Because it has a smaller exponent. I'm going to have less digits in front of the decimal. Okay? So this would be 7 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then this would be 9.1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, that's the wrong decimal place, sorry. So that would be 990,000 versus 72 million. Well, which one's less? 990,000 is less. Okay? For number 19, it says list the populations in order from least to greatest. So just looking at these numbers, for the most part, we can just look at the exponents. What is the least or the smallest country based on population? Luxembourg is the smallest, so I'm going to just put a number 1. What's the next smallest country? Singapore, right, because that has a 6. Okay, and what's the next one? We have to decide between Australia and Egypt because they have the same exponent. Australia is going to be smaller because 2 is smaller than 7.7. The exponents were the same, so then we have to look at the constants. So that means Australia is smaller than Egypt, and Brazil is the largest country population. Questions? All right, 3 more. It says the solar system of Pluto is 3.67 times 10 to the 9th power from the sun. Write this in standard form. How could I write that in standard form? What does that mean? Right, write it in the thousands place. So we have to take 3.67 times 10 9 times. Or move the decimal 9 places. Take away 9 decimal places, so it's going to move backwards 9. So 3, 1, 6, 7. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Any empty spaces, what do we put? A 0. Okay? And number 21, it says 1 centimeter is equal to about 0.0000062 miles. Write this in scientific notation. So what do I have to do with the decimal? Move it backwards. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. So it's going to be 6.2 times 10 to what exponent? -6, because you had to move it backwards. This is a small number. Small numbers have a negative exponent. You could also plug this into your calculator and do second 5. Okay? You could just type this in and do the number second 5, and it'll tell you what your exponent is. Do number 22 as you're taking out the door. 22, and then you are turning it in.
Put it on right there.
There you go.
The box.